Hello, I'm Marissa Bybee here in the Houston chapter of TechExecs, and I'm here with Paul, the CIO of BJ Services. Paul, tell me a little bit about what you do.
I'm the Chief Information Officer for BJ Services. BJ is one of the largest oil and gas service companies in the world. We operate in 55 countries, and we have about 16,000 employees.
That is a lot to manage on a day-to-day basis. Tell me a little bit about the panelists today are talking about cloud. What do you see as emerging trends in the cloud?
Clearly, cloud computing is the way of the world. I was reading an article just last week in one of the magazines where a large company unnamed was looking at re-implementing or updating their ERP system, and it was going to cost $35 million. I think it's things like that are going to drive us more and more to the cloud. The ability to have an application out there that improves and you get newer versions of it year in and year out, as opposed to having to scale up a massive project to re-implement or upgrade a system. So
tell me, how have you implemented cloud in your business?
We're just sticking our toes in the water at this point. We're playing with a project management system that was originally called eProject, and that's where our first taste of the cloud is. At my prior company, where I was CIO, I played a part in putting together Salesforce.com, which obviously is the poster child for software as a service, which is one of the aspects of cloud computing.
Absolutely. Well, thank you very much for your time today, and I hope you enjoy the event. Thank you.
Thank you, Marissa.
Hello, I'm Marissa Bybee with the Houston chapter of the TechExecs, and I'm here with Lucas, the VP of IT of Cisco Foods, and our venue host today. Thank you for having us. It's a beautiful place.
Hi, Marissa. Good morning, and welcome to come to Cisco, and I hope you enjoy the presentations here this morning, and we're glad to have you.
Well, thank you much. So tell me about your day-to-day role at Cisco and what you do for, what does your company do, and what do you do for Cisco?
Well, we have three IT leaders here at Twyla Day, who is the CIO, and two VPs. I'm one of them. John Holsom and Twyla managing the project, and I'm responsible for day-to-day operations here at Cisco. I just want to make sure the systems are running, we can take the orders, we're shipping the product, and deliver to the customer on time.
Very good. So tell me a little bit about the product and customers that we're speaking about.
To open a restaurant, and you had an empty shell, you only need to make one phone call. You can call Cisco. We'll put the whole restaurant together. We deliver products all the way from all the food products to the white tablecloth, to the silverware, to the cooking equipment that you need, basically everything. We have about 400,000 products, and we also have about 400,000 customers. So it's a lot to keep. And it's all in our computer systems, of course.
Lucas, tell me a little bit about yourself personally. What do you do for fun? And, we know what you do here at the office, but what do you do on your downtime?
I usually spend a lot of time in my hangar. I actually build a hangar, and I like building airplanes. So I've built 3 airplanes. I build a Long Easy, I build a BD-5, and I build an Aranca Chief. And I'm now on my 4th airplane. So I spend a lot of time basically at the hangar just tinkering around with airplanes.
Very good. So does that mean you're a pilot as well?
Yes, I am a pilot. I got a commercial pilot, multi-engine, and now I'm working on my instrument rating.
Very good. Well, thank you very much. Again, thanks for having us today. It's been great. I'm Marissa Bybee here at the Houston chapter of TechExecs. I'm here with Mike Pattison, who is our moderator today. So for the people who aren't able to join us, tell me a little bit about what the panel is going to discuss.
Today we're going to discuss Cloud Computing 2.0. It probably would be wise to emphasize the 2.0 part, because we're talking about not just what is cloud computing, but how are you going to use it. And so it's an opportunity to get some real-life feedback from people who actually are using it. We've already heard from some vendors talking about the advances in cloud computing. And hopefully then we have a series of questions that we will be giving the panelists an opportunity to respond to. We're very excited about being able to start to dig into the next level of cloud computing and how it's being used.
Oh, absolutely. And I think a lot of people really enjoy the panel and the interaction that you can get between, the industry leaders. So it's great. Well, thank you very much for being here, and we enjoy your time today. Thank you.
Thank you, too.
Hello, I'm Marissa Bybee here at the Houston chapter of TechExecs, and I'm here with Mukund. Tell me a little bit about what you do, what your title is. I know you're on the panel today. We're so excited to have you.
Thank you. I work as the IT director for Leo Daily. Leo Daily is a large privately held architecture and engineering firm which deals with the design of public infrastructure projects such as roads, highways, bridges, and also on the architecture side, we are involved with building hospitals, designing hospitals, military bases, and things like that. I manage their IT operations right from system administration, network infrastructure, help desk, service, and support.
So tell me a little bit about the panel discussion today and some topics you're going to cover.
My panel is primarily about cloud computing. This is a new area for a lot of people, and I'm pretty excited to be a part of this whole revolution, as I would like to call it. I see a lot of potential in this. I also see a lot of pitfalls, and the question is, how do you navigate the pitfalls and achieve the success that cloud computing can truly deliver?
That's key, and I think what a lot of people will find is that cloud computing can be used in the right way and can be used in the wrong way, and you have to find the way that cloud can fit inside your business, whether it's an application in the cloud, an ERP system. But there's a lot of different things it could do. So I appreciate your time today, and we look forward to hearing from you later. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, I'm Marissa Bybee with the Houston TechExecs. I'm here with Steve Havman, who's going to talk to us today about virtualization of the desktop.
Good morning. Well, one of the things that I think is one of the new emerging things that's going to help out with business continuity especially is virtualization of desktops. One of the things that I went through with Ike was a very eye-opener for our organization is that a lot of people, although they were safe and high and dry, didn't have power, didn't have communication, so a lot of what we anticipated as backup plans of people being able to work from home if they couldn't get to the office was a nice idea, but in reality, because of the massive nature of that, was very different. Well, the whole virtualization of desktops gives us that opportunity to access your desktop anywhere and everywhere and at a lower total cost of service. And I think that's going to be a real key moving forward in the industry.
Oh, absolutely. Well, thank you very much for participating with us today. We look forward to the rest of the day's events. Thank you.
Thank you. It's been great being here.
Hello, I'm Marissa Bybee here at the Houston chapter of the TechExecs, and I'm here with Chris Carter, the Director of IT for Caprock Communications. Thanks for being with us today. Tell me a little bit about what you do.
Sure. So I'm responsible for global IT for Caprock Communications. We're a satellite telecommunications company, and we're actually the only satellite telecommunications company focused on business that has a global footprint. So we've got offices all over the world. So primarily, I'm responsible for making sure that all of our back office applications are delivered globally to our entire workforce, as well as making sure that then our operational systems that we use to support our customers are online and working 24/7.
That's a huge order. Also, I hear you're involved in the CIO peer research paper. So tell me a little bit about what you've done there.
Sure. It's been a real privilege working with those guys. I've been working with Paul Chan a lot, and the things that have really interested me, and one of the reasons I was interested in participating, is because it really facilitates a really healthy discussion with a lot of peers, CIOs and VPs of IT and around in industry. And it gives a really good forum for us to talk about the challenges we face in our day-to-day jobs, working with the business and working with each other, vendors. And it's been a very nice opportunity for us to understand each other at a level that you don't normally get to, and kind of just pure networking opportunities.
Well, it has been very well received, and we look forward to more coming out in 2010. Thank you very much for being here. Appreciate it.
All right, thank you. Thank you very much.
So, how many SKUs do you have? Tony.